Chevy. I'm ripping in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. Okay. I'm flossing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
All right, what's good, y'all? Y'all see what it is? We back here in rotation. So like I said, the people were coming to clean the car, and now you can really see the difference, man. Shout out to CC's Detailing, Jay's Detail Garage, man. They did a really good job on the car for what it was. Man, it definitely looks a whole lot better. Like, I definitely don't see or would hesitate to give her the car in this state, because it does look a whole lot cleaner. The pattern on the seats is probably a little dated, which may be why they had the covers on there. I thought it was because it was toe up. I mean, honestly, I think it looks better this way, but if she wants to put the seat covers back on, we still got them. Probably the next step would be like an oil change. I don't think I had that one open. Probably the next step would be an oil change. Maybe oil change, insurance, temp tags, so we can start putting it in rotation. It'll probably be my little daily for at least like a month, so I can make sure that everything is on the up and up and good to go. So yeah, man, like I said, they did a really good job, man. Car looks really good. And on to the next step. So I'm going to try to do like a little dash restore. Well, not dash restore, but actually, I mean, it didn't come out too bad. Before, it was more of an ashy look to it, but it looks a lot better now. So we'll see. We shall see. But coming together for baby girl. The low light capabilities of this camera never seems to amaze me.
Garage door.
Transition, everything. So, bring y'all an update. Brought the Saturn home yesterday. Changed the oil. Matter of fact, I gotta get the container. I can go drop the oil off this morning. I guess there's no interior light, so I have to look into that. So last night, or yesterday evening after work, we changed the oil. The oil change is good. The fluid for the brakes is pretty bad. The fluid also for the all the keys on. Yeah, the fluid for the brakes is kind of bad. Yeah, fluid for the brakes is kind of bad. The power steering fluid was pretty bad. So we did get all of that swapped out. Get you a little nighttime morning view. About 5:30 in the morning. Headed to work. So unfortunately, we're not gonna make it to Whitfest this year. Cause we gotta work, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah, you know, a little Saturn. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted to check too, the reverse lights. I think one is working. That other one, not so much. Yeah, so one of the reverse lights is out. We'll get that fixed. Probably just a bulb, but other than that, man, I mean, the car drove real smooth. We filled it up with gas yesterday. As you can see, the hand is on full, or can you see that it's on full? Oh, okay. Had to bring up the brightness. It's kind of low. Yeah, so as you can see, full tank of gas. And it only took $22 from half, so, and that gas was kind of high, so yeah, it's gonna get the job done. So after a closer look at it, everything last night, the fan on the front, the cooling fan looks like it's busted. The condenser and the radiator are like smushed, so I'm gonna probably go ahead and replace both of those together. Probably the fan too, so that way the cooling system and all of that will be fine. Hopefully that condenser is the only thing that's keeping the AC from working. That and some fresh AC or Freon, so we'll see. But more so I was concerned with, you know, some of the mechanical aspects of it. The brakes seem to be okay. Probably either today or tomorrow I'm gonna take it off and actually look at the pads and everything. But I mean, it's stopped, the car stops or whatnot, so we're good to go on that. But yeah, yes, like I was mentioning before, I mean, the car's not overheating. And honestly, if it was just me, I would probably keep it, or I wouldn't fool with it. But because this is my daughter's car, then I'm gonna go ahead and fix it. These manual ass windows, but with no AC, they gotta be down, my boy. So this is, I guess, day one-ish. So we're good to go. Headed to the job. Buckle up for safety and all that good stuff. That's your brakes, lows. We did have both headlights, right? And like our time be getting pulled over and shit. Okay, we do. Yeet. Did we check the signals and shit? Signal in the front, signal in the back, signal in the front, signal in the back. All right. Get our little radio, get our music going this morning. It's just not paired. I know that I paired this shit yesterday. Or at least I felt like I did. Let's see here. I feel like this phone has been ready to try to give up the ghost and shit. Like it steady want me to update some shit. Well, not update, but it want me to the connection been kind of tripping, like between my AirPods and a couple other things. I don't know. Oh, there you go. Like, goddamn, it took fucking forever. But yeah, I'm from the gym, so of course, copyrighting shit. So I'll cut y'all that down once we make it, or I'll just silence this part of the video. Yeah, but you got on my mind. But I have to try.
baby, let me marry you. Show you all the love that you deserve.